Welcome here to another tutorial by Tapio. Today we want to show you how easy it is to onboard a new machine to Tapio. So basically we're talking about QuickConnect. QuickConnect is first an application on the machine, and second it's a way of onboarding a machine in the Tapio administration portal, what we call My Tapio. So first the customer has to log in into My Tapio and has to hit the button for add a new machine, and then the customer can go to the machine and do the following steps. So first of all, he's going to open up the menu on the machine and select further applications. And there you see the application Tapio QuickConnect. And then you just hit the QuickConnect button. So then the application opens up and you click the next button and you got that surface here with nothing in it, no numbers, no nothing. So then the customer goes into the administration portal, hits the add a new machine button, and on the left corner you see a small button called Use QuickConnect. So you just open up QuickConnect. And how it works is now like Bluetooth connection in a car, for example. So you just exchange two codes with the machine and with the administration portal. And then after successfully onboarding the machine, it's connected and you can use specific licenses like machine board, like data safe or other applications by HOMAG. So I opened up already the QuickConnect feature here in the administration portal. There you see a number, and this number has to be transferred into the first field here of QuickConnect in the machine. So it's 5263. #1488, and then you hit the OK button. And now the machine or QuickConnect generates a new code which you have to transfer now here into the administration portal by the customer. So it's the 0622 7347 6133. Then you hit the create button. Then it takes like a few seconds. Now the machine is onboarded into the customer's administration portal. You see the connected, you see the green hook. And now what you do is here you check it one more time, here the check button. Now the cloud connector just gonna connect one more time in the machine, just gonna make a nice little protocol that takes, for example, 15 to 20 seconds, not more. Then you get like the information, everything works out fine. And if that happens, then you can go into the Tapio shop, buy the licenses, get the trial versions, assign the licenses to that machine, and you're good to go. You see here the green hooks. The machine is successfully activated, Tapio system is up and running, and now you're good to go. So without my talking right now, we had around about 60 to 90 seconds, which takes time to onboard a new machine to the customer account. And that's really the fastest way you can onboard a machine via an application and use it like straight away with another application, like a machine board, for example. There we go.